Here we are. Where are we?
Dartmoor.
Dartmoor. We had about a 2-hour drive, didn't we?
Yeah.
Down to, we're at Meldon Reservoir car park at the minute. Just crossing over the bridge now. Not the bridge, the dam. And the plan is, we're going to try and stay out for the night. This is your second wild camp?
Yeah.
Yeah, we come here a few weeks ago, didn't we?
Yeah.
For a little tester. But he reckons he's keen for it. So that's what we're going to try. Plan is, get to the end of the dam. And last time we went straight on, didn't we?
Yeah.
But I think this time we might. Well, you pick. Where do you want to go? Which way?
Fine.
Which way? Left or right?
Right.
Right. Okay. So we're going to go right. We've got the map. We haven't picked a spot. We don't know where we're going to be camping. We don't know what we're going to see. But we've got a map. So later on, when the tent's up, we'll sit down and I'll get Archie to show you through the route that we've taken and where we end up. But stunning. Absolutely glorious. So it feels good to be out. The weather tonight is, wow. Depends which weather report you look at. But the one that we're going on is there's rain in about an hour or so. So Archie's preemptively put his waterproofs on. I said I'd risk it, so we'll see how that benefits me. But yeah, weather tonight is 15 mile an hour winds roughly, or 25, again depending on which which weather channel you listen to. Yes, mate.
There's a loose tile back there.
Was there?
Yeah.
Go jump on it, see if you fall through it.
No.
But yeah, so we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Fingers crossed everything goes to plan. Oh, it is looking wet.
I think we should follow the stream. So, Daddy, if that dam fell, would that bridge be gone?
I don't know if that bridge would be gone, but I think all of this would definitely be full of water. Should we go try and knock it down?
Yeah.
No, let's not do that. Lead the way.
So peaceful.
It is peaceful, isn't it?
Oh yeah, there's some serious climbing.
That would be some serious climbing, wouldn't it?
No, I mean like this. Okay, how high are we?
Too high for you?
I think we can camp here.
Told you, too early to pitch yet, buddy.
Yeah, but...
Gotta keep on walking. Get the steps in. You're almost what? You got it.
Top compared to you.
Broken my number one rule.
What?
Start cold, finish warm. The layers are gonna have to come off. Keep your fleece on. I'm no professional, but I think we might get a bit wet. What do you reckon? Do we put waterproofs on now? Or
I've got mine.
not your top? Or do we risk it?
We're going to go over that hill.
Over that one, yeah.
And then keep
and then keep walking. Cool, you the boss. I think that's where we'll end up going, as soon as he catches up right. Typical Dartmoor. Bobbling away. You coming across?
I'm gonna try and jump.
Go careful. Yeah, good man.
I just missed.
Whew. Nearly there. We have checked, and according to the Gov website, there's no firing on Dartmoor at all for the next 2 days. So we're good to go. Onwards and upwards. Yeah. It'll be even higher, won't it? We walked all the way from yonder. We've gone. In fact, at Maldon Reservoir, other side of this hill basically. We've come all the way up the long way because somebody wanted an adventure. And then we've come all the way down to here, up here, and are on our way up to the summit. But looking at it, I don't think there's going to be much there. Visibility is going to be terrible, and someone's just fallen over. Go on, up you get. Good man. Never ceases to amaze me how much the terrain changes across Dartmoor. Unreal.
What is in this bag? It looks like a brick.
Do you really think I've put bricks in your bag? Come on now, up you get. You alright?
Yeah.
Good man, that's it. Up you get, brush it off, and carry on. Wow. Unreal.
I'm hungry.
Loving life?
Yeah.
Good man.
Mm.
It's pretty cloudy, but
It's cloudy because we're in the clouds.
there we go. The is that going to stay there? No. Is it going to stay there? Yeah, there we go. So about 1:30, 1:45. So I think what we'll do, get to the top.
Pitch the tent.
Well, we probably won't pitch on the top. All depends on the wind, because the wind is starting to pick up now. And it's starting to get very thick with cloud.
Tornado?
Fog, whatever you want to call it. So, but yeah, we'll catch you guys when we pitch up. The wind is definitely picking up. I have no idea what the audio will be like, so apologies if it's terrible. But we are thick in it. Boy, it feels good. It feels very good. It's been about, I think, 8 weeks since our last camp, which was Archie's first one. I've done a fair bit before, but make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the notifications on, because we've got some big trips planned. End of November, we're going away to Snowdonia for a multi-day, so keep your eyes peeled. Who needs an iPad when you've got the great outdoors? Look at him go. Here we are. definitely time for a cup of coffee. Whew. Up in the clouds. See the sun trying to poke its way through. Wow, that was sketchy. We come from up there, up that way. We'll just come down there to, I think this is called Redivern Stream or something like that. I'll double check in a bit. But it's about 3:30. It's quite wet around here. I was hoping there'd be somewhere higher to try and camp, but you never know, we might find somewhere in the next few moments. But yeah, I reckon this is going to be roughly where we're camping. Oh, it's lush. Love it. So, here we are. We chose not to camp down there in the end because everything was just wet. Like, it was dripping. I think I read online Dartmoor's had something ridiculous. I think it was either 46 or 76 mil of rain in the last 2 days. Like, there's been yellow weather warnings, all sorts. But we're at the top of that valley basically, and I reckon this will be where we pitch. Camera doesn't really look flat, but it is. We're not too close to a path either, so. You're not moving? You're not walking anymore? Why, have you had enough? Yeah. I think someone's legs are tired, but it's pretty grim, so I'm not going to show you guys me pitching the tent. I'm just going to put it up and then show you afterwards, and then yeah, cook some food, because it's been a long day. So yeah, catch us in a bit. That is good. Feels good to be out of that wind, doesn't it? Yeah. So on the menu tonight, we have got the famous hot dog pasta. We've got some hot dogs there.
It's not
then we've got a couple of these stir-in pots. Pasta's on boiling. And I can't wait. You excited?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we even got some mozzarella to go with it.
Mozzarella.
Very nice. Have you enjoyed today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Especially the food.
Especially the food. Well, you've earned it. We've done a fair few miles today. Still not sure how many exactly, but we'll have a count up after we've had some food and see how many we've done.
I guess we've done like 7.
7?
Yeah.
No, I think we've probably done. It might be 7. Maybe. Yeah, we'll see. See where we end up. Now that is just what the doctor ordered.
Ah, too bright.
Sorry. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yours is nearly gone.
Because I'm so hungry.
We're starting to get dark now. It's about 5 o'clock, so we're going to eat this and then settle in for the night, I reckon. Get nice and cosy. I'll go through kit in the morning when it's daylight, show you guys the tent and yeah. But the cook system I'm using is the 4-class pocket stove. Spoiler alert, big Decathlon fan. Decathlon Go Outdoors, absolutely love it. I think some of their stuff is great and it's a lot cheaper, so for anyone looking to get into wild camping, would definitely recommend it. Even got good stuff for the little ones. Oh, good morning. You sleep alright?
Yeah.
Good man. Oh, there's not a breath of wind.
What is for breakfast?
Porridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, porridge for breakfast with a bit of honey. Banging. Not a breath of wind last night. I woke up at like 3:30 and it was dead silent. And then woke up this morning, dead silent. And yeah. Guess we're just going to wait on sunrise. If there is going to be one. Weather's just cloudy at the moment. Eat some breakfast. Look at that yawn. And then pack up and head down. Oh, We could go back to sleep for an hour.
No.
Thought you'd say that. Taylor's coffee bags. If you know, you know. Looking pretty cloudy up this tall. So that is us on a very foggy Dartmoor. There's our water bottles. We need to jump down there quick, get some water refill for the walk back. But as always, leave no trace, take your rubbish with you, don't be an idiot, ruin it for everyone else. Look at it. It's always baffled me how kids have that much energy first thing in the morning and they don't even drink coffee. You alright?
The sheep's skull was still there.
The sheep skull?
Yeah.
Nice. Did you call a medic?
Huh?
Did you call a medic?
No.
No? Okay. Fair enough. Ready for water?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Where is it now?
Where is he? He just swam down the edge here somewhere. There he is.
Where?
Not every day you see that.
A froggy!
A froggy! So, your second wild camp in the bag. What do you think?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
What do you enjoy the most?
Sleeping.
The sleeping. I enjoyed dinner last night. That was good.
Oh, I enjoyed.
But definitely.
I enjoyed breakfast.
Breakfast? Yeah. Breakfast was good.
Maryland's.
Maryland's and a couple of brioche to kick it off. We got an hour's hike back to the car. I think it's about an hour and a half-ish. And then when we get back, make up some porridge and go home.
Yay!
Yay! Back just in time for Sunday roast.
We're having a Sunday roast.
Oh, it's a Sunday, of course we're having a Sunday roast.
No.
He's learning.
I don't like your potatoes.
I know you prefer Mummy's potatoes. We'll get Mummy through the roast spuds. Look at that. Take him out on a camping trip and all he does is slate me cooking. Anyway, we will call that a day, I reckon, because the views aren't spectacular. It's a bit foggy, still beautiful though. Not too foggy.
Wait, there?
To be fair, it's not really foggy at all, is it? It's just the bloody clouds. But yeah, so
There's the post that we went upwards.
that is correct. Anyway, catch you on the next one. Cheers.